shoot, oh shoot. It's on! It's on! What are you supposed to tell us when it started? What is that mysterious chicken noise? Maybe it's over here. Or maybe it's over there. Ow! Oh, forget this. Can catch you. Snipe! Snipe! Severus Snape! Snipe! Snipe! Severus Snape! Dumbledore! I'll just forget it. Redo, people! Redo! Now stay down there, Chris. Okay. So, ouch. What the heck are you? Oh, sorry. Snipe, Severus Snape, Severus Snape, Dumbledore! Oh, just forget this. So like no point of doing redos. Chris, no! That looks really fun. No. Too violent to see our belly buttons. Too violent.